Track 1.11. Unit 1. Speaking. Exercise 2.
Hi, Laura. How are things?
Not bad. How are you, Jake? This is Tina. She's in my class this year. She's from the USA.
Hello, Tina. Good to meet you.
And you. Hey, that's a cool t-shirt. Are you into surfing?
Yes, but I'm not very good. What part of the USA are you from?
I'm from Florida.
That's cool. See you later then.
Yeah. See you later.
How are things?
This is Tina.
Good to meet you.
Are you into surfing?
What part of the USA are you from? See you later then.
Track 1.13. Unit 1. Speaking. Exercise 5.
That's a cool t-shirt.
Yes, this is my Arsenal shirt. What's that?
This is my class photo. Hey, are those my CDs?
No, these are my Coldplay CDs. That's your CD on the table.